On number 6, we're graphing the function, finding the vertex, stating whether the vertex is a max or a min, and then finding the intercepts. So there's a lot of different calculator steps on here. We need to press y equals and enter in the function. Then I can press graph and see the graph of the function. If you don't already have the negative 10 to 10, negative 10 to 10 window, you can always press zoom and then do zoom standard, and it will always take you back to that. Okay, so I need to do second calc and then maximum because our vertex in this case is a maximum. And then we need to declare just somewhere to the left of that vertex. And you can always use the left and right key to move the cursor. And then press to the right, anywhere to the right of the vertex, press enter. So you've given it an interval in which to search. So it's going to ask you for a guess, so just press somewhere close to it, then press enter, and it gives you the vertex. So it says negative 2.9 repeating. This is just going to be negative 3. And then it says something weird. It says negative 1.3e to the negative 12. Now yours might say something a little bit different, but it should show that e there. So negative 1.3e to the negative 12 on mine, that really means that I need to move this decimal place 12 places to the left. So that's going to be negative 0. And then a lot of zeros, and then 1, 3. So effectively, this just means 0. So the way the calculator is programmed, it's going to get very, very close to 0, but it actually doesn't reach 0. But that's just the calculator program. In actuality, it does mean 0. So whenever you see this on your calculator with the e, you can just take that to mean 0. So negative 3, 0 will be our vertex. So let's go put that back into our answer. And our vertex is a maximum. So right there. Okay, next is the x-intercepts. And it looks like we only have one, and we kind of already know what it is. It should just be negative 3, 0, because that's where we're crossing the axis. But let's use the 0 command just to confirm it. So if you go to second calc and then the 0 command, and then declare somewhere to the left of the 0, press enter. Somewhere to the right, press enter. Make a guess, press enter. And with the 0 command, it will actually give you negative 3, 0. So it doesn't give you like the negative 2.999 and the negative 1.5e to the negative 12. So it's weird with the calculator programming how sometimes it will give it to you, and then sometimes you have to kind of interpret it. Okay, so then let's actually figure out what the y-intercept is. So I need to do second calc, and then it's the value command, and then it will give you x is equal to, and you can type in whatever number you want. We want 0 because the x value of a y-intercept is always 0. Press enter and we get negative 9. Okay, so I'm going to go back. So 0, negative 9. And not the best drawing, but not the worst. So that will be our answer.